Hey, Mr. Weatherman, what's the weather gonna be?
I think they're waiting for me. Today's the day. I owe this all to Stuck and Gunner. Don, Stuck, Gunner, JMV, they've all taken this ride before.
Morning guys, we're here today. Paul Poteet's going to be here any second for his procedure. Multi-unit hair grafting, we're going to refine that hairline. Very excited. Let's go see if he's here.
Follow me. Hey. Are you ready?
I'm ready, are you ready?
I think I'm ready.
Let's do this.
Okay.
Alright guys, we're here with Paul. Ready to rock and roll, my man?
I guess so.
Let's have a look at this hairline, guys. So what we're going to do here with Paul is what we call reframing the face. He's got this this receding area. So we want to bring this receding down here. We want to broaden the front of the hairline. He's got a little hair at the front that's kind of hanging on. And so we're going to bring that a little bit lower.
Good morning. Good morning. Hi,
How are you?
I'm Amy. Nice to meet you.
The first step of the day of the procedure is a quick meeting with the physician. The physician will then draw and mark out the hairline based on facial structure. You know, it takes a lot of experience and artistic expertise to design a nice hairline. Fortunately, our physicians have done thousands of transplants. So.
Today we're doing Paul Poteet's hairline, so it's important that we get a lot of 1s, 2s, and 3s. When Dr. Weishi takes the strip, he is amazing at getting the angle just perfect, so you can see there's very little transection, if none at all. And you can see how unbelievable Paul's donor area is, very dense. We'll build the hairline back, putting the 1s in the very front and integrating some of the 2s and then 3s behind those for some of the density. We do these multi-unit grafts which have 4 and 5 hairs in them, and so we can move 6,000-7,000 hairs sometimes in a transplant. And that's how we are able to move such an amazing amount of hair above some of our competitors.
The two girls are just finishing up the last placement of the grafts in the frontal hairline area. We've packed the hair in really close, and our physician was really happy with how it went. So about half hour, 45 minutes, we'll be done. Really excited for Paul.
How's Mr. Weatherman?
Oh, he's partly cloudy. he's not as foggy as he was yesterday.
Good.
No.
Donor area in the back, very, very clean.
I'm in no pain today, and I was certainly in no pain apparently yesterday.
Feeling pretty good right now. Soon I'll be as furry on top as Baxter. Am I right? Yeah, right.